Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So text-to-speech is really cool, and it allows you to go and add speech without having to use your own voice. So to go and do this, let's come into CapCut and let's go into the top left of CapCut and click on text. Then what you want to do is you want to choose some text. So I'm just going to use a basic black and white one. And if you don't actually want to have the text on the screen, that is absolutely fine. We can go ahead and delete it later. But to do this, you do need to add the text to start with. Cool, okay, so once you've done that and you've gone and added it, you then want to click on it in your timeline and come over to the right. So you want to make sure that the text is selected and then basic. So what you then want to do is you want to type in what you want the text to speech to say. And I'm going to just go and type in the word "this is awesome." So if you plan on keeping the text on your screen, what you can then do is go and start customizing it. So you can change the font, the style, the case, the color, get really creative and make it pop. All of that stuff can be sort of edited to how you want it to. But if you're going to go ahead and delete the text anyway, then that doesn't sort of really matter. So then what we're going to do is we're going to come to the top right, and if you click on text to speech, you can see that you've got all these different voices that you can choose from. Some of them are for CapCut Pro, which you can go ahead and use, but if you're not using CapCut Pro, don't worry, there are also lots of free ones as well. So to go and hear how it sounds, what you can do is you click on it and then you can hear it will say it. If you like the sound and you want to go and use it, then what you can do is go and click on start reading in the bottom right. It will say it's applying, and now it has generated an audio track for you from that text. So as I said before, you can go and choose to keep the text, or alternatively you can just go and delete it because you've got that audio track that has now been created for you. And that's it, guys. That is how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.